Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Amazon vacuum sealer. First, unpack your new vacuum sealer and set it up on a clean, dry countertop. Make sure the power cord is firmly plugged into a standard wall outlet. Before sealing, it's a good idea to pre-freeze any liquids or very moist foods for about 2 hours. This simple step helps prevent liquids from being drawn into the machine, ensuring a perfect seal every time. Next, choose a vacuum sealer bag that is large enough for your food, leaving at least 3 inches of empty space at the top. Carefully place your food inside the bag, making sure the sealing area is completely clean and dry. Any food debris or moisture can compromise the seal. Then, gently lay the open end of the bag flat into the vacuum channel, ensuring it lies smoothly across the sealing bar. Now, firmly close the lid of your vacuum sealer. You should hear a distinct click on both sides, confirming it's securely locked. Press the vacuum and seal button to start the automatic process. The machine will begin removing air from the bag and then automatically heat seal it. Watch as the air is extracted. The indicator light will typically turn off when the cycle is finished, signaling a perfect, airtight seal. Once sealed, carefully remove the bag and label it with the contents and the date. This helps you keep track of your stored food. Store your vacuum-sealed items appropriately, whether in the refrigerator, freezer, or pantry, to maximize their shelf life. After each use, remember to clean your vacuum sealer. A simple wipe down with a damp cloth, especially in the vacuum channel and drip tray, will keep it in excellent working condition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.